don't know what that means. These are blackberries. No. Find out what that means later. There's more little ruins like gardens. Gravel gardens that's not used. And what was here? There's their stairs. And there's water coming down the mountains. Stone wall there.
This is the second part of the walking tour from Lovrol to Tirano, and we haven't yet reached the town, but we will get there soon. We'll show you.
I found Nonna's oven up in the little. It's exactly the one we've got in the garage.
Yeah, and it's just in the back garden.
Yeah, it's identical.
So what we might do is jump the fence
And cook up a storm.
And grab the little knobs. We're missing one knob.
Oh yes, true.
Yeah.
More gardens. Right up there. I wish we could get these to grow like this in our backyard. These are the ones we're having trouble with.
Robinia.
Yeah. But they seem to be happy here.
Oh yeah.
And then there's more apple orchards up there. Walking along the path.
Path.
And look at these beautiful grapes.
Rosemary and grapes.
And then apples. Made it from Lovrol to Tirano. And we're still walking. To the bridge up there. Going to town there. Buongiorno.
I love how they decorate the bridge with little pots of geraniums as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to have a bit to eat and a coffee here.
Like a town centre.
Yeah. Got the bank and everything. Or you can eat Chinese in Italy.
We must be coming into the beginning of opening time because everything closes around lunchtime for a few hours. And now it's nice busy. Now we're coming into open time. So what we're doing is we just had to get some money out of the bank, which we eventually found. And now I'll zoom out a bit. There we go. And now we're just walking through the main town just to we're basically going to find something to have a drink and something to eat.
Yeah.
Because everything's just starting to open. It's actually very busy. But it's a really beautiful town. All the paving on the ground, and yeah, it's just really nice. We'll go and find a little cafe which is just down here. We walked, didn't we, to Tirano?
We walked 6 kilometres.
6 kilometres to Tirano, and we've stopped at a little restaurant just to have something to eat so we can walk back. And they've got gnocchi. We just ordered two types of pizzas so we can swap, so we can make a bit, and we've just ordered our drinks. Cheers.
Cheers, Manchi.
Oh my god, I needed that lemon drink.
Oh, that's nice.
That's really lovely.
It's nice.
It's so nice. I don't know if you can see, but behind me is actually the railway station. So this little part seems to be pretty touristy because I believe that they would have a lot of people coming from all over Italy, in fact anywhere in Europe, coming to this station. And this station, this Tirano station, is the one that actually goes to St. Moritz. So this train...
Is that the cog train?
I don't think it's the cog train here. I think it goes to the cog train and then it swaps. But I'm not sure. That one's to Switzerland. That's a different one. But this one, they actually have a train that goes just here behind me, and that goes to St. Moritz. And it's a beautiful train ride. It's absolutely magnificent. And this,
bring the kids in.
and this town is just
a 6K.
Just a little bit of information. This train line has the Bernina Express, which goes from Tirano to Switzerland, and it's World UNESCO Heritage listed. Do you reckon we got a big enough pizza?
I can't even see my plate. It's covering the plate.
I know. This is ham, mushroom, and an artichoke, and that's potato and sausage.
Mozzarella.
What's the verdict of your pizza so far?
Nothing like I've ever had.
It's unbelievable.
Absolutely. Even to the oven cook, what do they call it?
They call it the
It's fire.
pizza dough.
Yeah, but it's done in like a proper
Yeah.
pizza oven, the big stone one. You can smell the fire.
I mean, amazing. You can hear me eating while I'm filming you, but it's so thin and it's not like overbearing and gluggy. It's just a whole lot of beautiful toppings.
The wood, between the wood-fired base and the potato and all the meats in them. Oh my god! I wish we could have this back home. It's crazy. It's so nice.
It's a bit confusing, isn't it?
Yes.
That we were standing. Oh, the gates are closing. We were standing here, and then we see where we just ate.
That was so nice.
A koala on an ice cream truck. Yeah.
Yeah, I can smell really nice smells.
A little bit about Tirano. Tirano is nestled in the valley between Italy and Switzerland and Austria, and is a very small town of less than 10,000 people. And its claim to fame is it being the UNESCO World Heritage terminus for the Bernina Express, which is the rail journey from Tirano up to, I think you pronounce it Chur, C-H-U-R, in Switzerland. And legend has it that this building you're looking at now was constructed in the late 1500s during the Baroque period, and it's owned by Count Salis, or the Counts of Salis. Inside, the decoration of the rooms is with frescoes and stucco from the 17th and 18th centuries. Unfortunately, during this time when we visited the area, it was closed, it wasn't open. So I'll have to take note of the times that it is open. But apparently there's an impressive decoration to the ceiling in the area, and also apparently it creates an illusion of the design for the vaulted ceiling. So I'd love to see that. There's historical wine cellars in the foundation of this place. The production of wine and trading of wine to the north of Italy is highly important for economic reasons.
Very quiet and nice and warm.
So I can't wait to go back again this year and have a little look inside and see what the beautiful fabrics and textures and frescoes are, and also have a look at the beautiful gardens. And local legend has it that apparently the Virgin Mary appeared to be a local resident during an outbreak of the plague in this area, and it was said that if a church was built in the spot, then the town would be rid of all the disease. Lo and behold, a church was built and there was no more disease. So the area of Tirano is a beautiful town, built around the influence of the Adda River, which we saw earlier, and it has beautiful cobblestone roads, piazzas and churches, and has some special Renaissance palaces as well.
Just a part of an alley, one of the small alleyways here in Tirano.
Another important thing is Tirano, and in fact the entire length of the Adda River, it is wonderful for hiking or for cycling.
Walking back after a really nice lunch at that cafe restauranty thing, and I saw two fish. I saw them under this. They swim under that rock. There, that rock. And they go behind that rock. They hide behind the rock when they see me. Oh, here we go. It's a big trout. The water's so clear it looks like it's just flying in the air.
I strongly recommend Tirano is a place to visit, and also enjoying the local cuisine, which is predominantly cheeses and a beautiful risotto. You can do wine tasting, or you can just simply relax and go for a lovely walk through the town, the historic town, and enjoy having a coffee on the way. And the last part of our journey, we enjoyed time back at the Airbnb, which we stayed at for a few more days, and as you can see, the town of Lovedo, we then also explored the town of Lovedo.